Hello, I'm Andy and I'm going to read to you a tarot monthly horoscope for animal signs. This is for the animal sign zodiac. Yes, the animal sign also has a zodiac. It's based on the 12 signs. Now, this is for the month of June 2017 and it is for you coming from the Rooster family. So, I'm going to shuffle my cards and I'm going to pick up one card, and this card will be used to predict the first 15 days of June for you, the Rooster. Now, your first 15 days are going to be very lucky. So let's start with the area of romance. You can find a good romance in the first 15 days of June, and that romantic partner will be very helpful and be very supporting and very loving as well. If you already have a romance ongoing, then you will find that the bonding and the closeness and the support and the love will grow in the first 15 days for you. There will be talks in wanting to take the romance into the state of long-term happiness as well. So plenty of good news in the first 15 days for romance. In your area of marriage, you can be very lucky as well. Solutions are going to be found. Compared to the first 15 days where solutions couldn't be found and disagreements were erupting all the time, now solutions are found, peace of mind is seen, financial situation, the good luck comes in as well. And so be together and bond more and more togetherness in your marriage areas. This also includes the family. So your children are going to be happy, your parents, your siblings also very happy. So there is this exuding good energy from outside, from your parents and siblings as well, to make your last 15 days to make your first 15 days find plenty of solutions in the area of your romance and marriage. Okay? Let's talk of your area of job and career. Your first 15 days shows plenty of possibilities. And your first 15 days shows that you are going to be very lucky getting good news in your job or in your career. And so whatever you do, there are profits and there are good news of recognition, good news of promotions coming for you in the first 15 days. Regarding your business, you will be able to attract a business partner. You will be able to attract business contracts. You will be able to make many good business contacts. So socialize. Go out all the time with business in mind, and you will find that your ability to make money, ability to secure financial security is also strong. During the first 15 days, a good idea to go and see your bank manager. You will find some friendliness from there. Alright? So make full use of this first 15 days to improve all areas of your life. This next card is for the last 15 days of June for you, coming from the Rooster family. Now, well, it's not a very bad card, but what happens is I see a lot of water in this card, and for you, the Rooster, you don't like water very much, and so there is a short circuiting of all the things that have been happening well in the first 15 days, a short circuiting happening in the last 15 days. So the continuity in the romance area becomes difficult. The continuity in the marriage area becomes difficult. If you find the romance in the last 15 days, you are going to be advised to be very careful, because it is more infatuation than real love. May not be from your side, could be from the other romantic partner's side. So have a wait and see attitude and don't jump into the area of romance too readily. Regarding your marriage, you will find that many differences are seen. This card shows opposition. It shows a readiness to find opposition and ready to fight. So you are listening to me. So don't allow this aggressiveness to come out of you. If your marriage partner shows aggressiveness, take the soft approach. Use words which are positive and which are supportive and which give hope to your partner, marriage partner, rather than wanting to attack and have the finger blame. Alright, if you are not careful, your marriage can have some severe problems. But I feel that this card is not totally bad. It produces problems, it produces a solution now and then as well. Now regarding your career and job, you're going to find disappointments. You may be placed in a different department in your existing job and you are not happy. You may be not considered for promotion or for praise or for recognition, and that will make you unhappy. So it's a card showing oversensitivity. There's no danger of you losing a job. You may have difficulties with your bosses, so you need to be supportive of your bosses and your colleagues. That way they will rally around you and they will support you in time of need. In business, you will find that it's more money out than money in. So you are going to be forced to getting money to put into your business in the last 15 days. And this could be the reason why a lot of stress and anxiety is seen. You may be forced to make many changes in your business which you are not exactly happy to do. And make sure that you don't go chasing for a business because you are emotionally attracted to that business. Business is all about facts and figures and logic. And here it shows that you may be attracted to something because somebody else is making money from that something and you want to go into it. That is emotional thinking in business is not good. That may lead you astray and also waste money in the last 15 days. Alright? Now I'm going to pull up both these cards. And for you, the Rooster, I'm going to give you a series of good dates which will help you in all areas of your life in the month of June. Now, looking at these cards, I like the dates of the 4th, the 13th, the 22nd, and the 31st. On the 4th, 13th, 22nd, and 31st of June, you, the Rooster, are going to be very lucky in all areas of your life. Even if the general period is not good, the element of luck will come. So looking for romance, improving your romance, helping your marriage to bond, being with your family and children and siblings and parents would all be a good idea because the bonding will bring support, and when you need help, the support will come then. So use this 4, 13, 22nd and 31st to bond and to improve your circumstances. Now the next thing I'm going to talk to you, for you coming from where you're coming from the Rooster family, is about colors. And the colors I'm going to recommend, colors are very important. I'm a big believer in colors. Colors were created as a channel of energy. So every different planet in the universe uses different colors to send you the energy. And for you, the Rooster, I'm going to recommend the color light blue. Light blue is going to be a very good color for you, bringing plenty of good luck. So wear undergarments, top garments, a light blue handkerchief, pillowcase, bedsheets. Try to use a lot of light blue in this period of June and it will bring you plenty of good luck. Now, a direction energy comes next for you, the Rooster. So for you, the Rooster, there will be around, the belief is this, God has placed all the 9 planets used in the universe around the compass. And so for you, the Rooster, the direction southwest is going to be very lucky. Southwest is going to be very lucky in the month of June. So to make your wishes come true, to dream of what you want, to have the law of attraction, face this good direction of southwest, and you will find plenty of benefits for you, the Rooster. Alright, so use these techniques to help you. I'm already Skyping. And I'm charging USD 50 for a 90-minute Skype session, but this Skype session will be based on your date of birth, on your time of birth, looking at your palms, and while we are Skyping, I'll be looking at your face, and I'll be able to also get a lot of information looking at your face, because your face is a map, and a lot of possibility of prediction is also made from the face. So go to Facebook and look me up and correspond with me, and we can make a date to Skype, or go to Skype itself and leave me a message, and I will be able to come back to you and give you a date we can Skype. Your Skype will be based on your date of birth, time of birth, and looking at your palms, okay? Until then, thank you and good luck.